Ever wondered how businesses manage to offer those tempting discounts and cashback offers? It's like magic, right? Well, not quite. There's a whole system behind it, and today we're diving into the story of one of the key players in that world, favepay. Specifically, we're asking, who is the founder of favepay? Now, before we jump straight into names, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're a small business owner. You want to reward your loyal customers, maybe attract some new ones, but setting up a complex loyalty program feels overwhelming. Or maybe you're a customer yourself, tired of carrying around multiple loyalty cards and missing out on potential savings. This is the problem favepay aimed to solve. They wanted to create a seamless, rewarding experience for both businesses and consumers. So, who's the mastermind behind this? The founder of favepay is Joel Neo. Joel Neo isn't a newcomer to the world of startups. He's a serial entrepreneur with a proven track record. Before favepay, he co-founded Groupon Malaysia and served as its CEO. That experience, navigating the world of deals and discounts, gave him a unique insight into the challenges and opportunities in the loyalty and reward space. He saw the potential for a more integrated and user-friendly system, something that would benefit both businesses and their customers. But it wasn't just about replicating existing models. Joel Neo's vision for favepay went beyond simple digital loyalty cards. He wanted to create a platform that would truly connect businesses with their customers, fostering deeper relationships and driving repeat business. Think about it, favepay isn't just about points and rewards. It's about enabling businesses to understand their customer preferences, personalize offers, and ultimately, build a loyal following. And that's where the real magic of favepay lies. It's not just a transaction platform, it's a relationship-building platform. It empowers businesses to move beyond one-off promotions and cultivate long-term customer loyalty. For consumers, it simplifies the entire rewards process, putting everything in one convenient place, their phone. No more fumbling for cards or forgetting to redeem points. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Joel Neo founded it. But what's the bigger picture? Well, favepay's story is a testament to the power of identifying a real need and creating a solution that truly addresses it. It's a story of innovation, adaptation, and a deep understanding of the evolving landscape of commerce. It's also a story that's still being written, as favepay continues to grow and evolve, constantly seeking new ways to enhance the customer experience and empower businesses. They're not just facilitating transactions, they're building a community. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.